In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Google Form responses in Sheets. If you've ever created a Google form and wanted to seamlessly organize all the responses, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll walk through this process step by step, making sure it's clear and easy to understand. To get started, you'll want to open the specific Google form you've already created or been working on. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive where all your forms are stored. Once you've located your form, go ahead and open it. This is your first step in seamlessly transitioning from viewing individual responses to organizing all of them in a comprehensive spreadsheet format. Next, you'll need to direct your attention to a particular aspect of the form interface, the Responses tab. Once your form is open, look towards the top of the page. Here, you'll see the options Questions and Responses. Click on the Responses tab. This is where you can generally see an overview of all the submitted responses in a summary view, but our goal here is to integrate these responses into a more organized format using Google Sheets. After clicking on the Responses tab, you should notice a small green Sheets icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click this green Sheets icon. This button is essential because it links your Google form with a Google Sheet document automatically. With just one click, it creates a new spreadsheet or links to an existing one where the form responses are neatly arranged and easy to work with. Upon clicking the green Sheets icon, a Google Sheet will promptly open. If it's your first time linking this particular form to a sheet, a new spreadsheet will be created. Alternatively, it will open an existing spreadsheet if you've linked it before. This Google Sheet is an excellent tool because it presents all your form responses in a structured manner where each response becomes a new row in the spreadsheet and each question is a column header. This setup allows for easy data manipulation and analysis, whether you need to sort, filter, or simply review the data. Remember, keeping your data organized not only makes it easier to comprehend, but also enhances efficiency when you need to extract information or identify patterns. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Google form to a Google Sheet, allowing you to view and manage all responses in one convenient place. This easy integration is a key feature of Google's suite of tools, simplifying data handling without any technical hassle. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your form responses a breeze.